Are you feeling exhausted, like you're trapped in quicksand, where every move you make just keeps pulling you deeper, leaving you stuck and overwhelmed? Imagine being able to step out of that quicksand, finally seeing your anxious thoughts and your worries for what they really are, and taking control of your anxiety instead of being dragged down by it. Today, we're going to explore a powerful tool that will help you escape that sinking feeling and become the master of your mind, not the prisoner. Hello, I'm Heather Watts, a licensed clinical social worker. And today, we're diving deep into the power of charting, a total game changer in managing anxiety. Now, if you've been following along in previous videos, you know that we've been talking about the difference between being a subjective observer, where you're stuck in a loop of how bad you feel, and an objective observer, where you step back and analyze and take control. This shift, this transformation, is the key to mastering your mental health. You can reference this video where we touched on how becoming an objective observer can completely redefine your relationship with anxiety. Today, we are taking it to the next level. We're going to unleash 3 powerful tools: the trigger chart, the daily mood record, and then we will get you set up on the weekly progress tracker. These are the tools that will empower you to track your anxiety, pinpoint your triggers, and monitor your growth like never before. In the description of this video, I've provided links to free resources for each of these tools that you can download at no cost. Okay, let's start to break this down. A lot of us have seen videos with someone stuck in quicksand. Hopefully not you. With every frantic moment, the person sinks deeper and deeper, making escape feel impossible. But when they get out and they stand on solid ground, they're in charge. There is a change in perspective, a relief, and they can see the whole situation clearly, much differently than when they were stuck in the quicksand. Becoming an objective observer of your thoughts and feelings is like stepping outside of the quicksand. It's a crucial first step in managing your anxiety, allowing you to assess the situation calmly rather than being consumed by it. To do this, we need to start recording our experiences. This is where the trigger chart, the daily mood record, and the weekly tracker come into play. This extraordinary results. These tools aren't just about tracking, they're about transformation. They're about becoming an objective observer of your own mind. You can step outside of the quicksand and take control of your life. So let's start today. Begin your journey to a clearer, calmer mind by recording your anxiety. Remember, progress is possible, and it all starts with awareness. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more strategies to help you conquer anxiety and live your best life. Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's do this journey together. In my next video, we will dive deeper into the purpose and function of anxiety. So please stay tuned. I know you will learn lots of powerful information. Thank you. Have a great week, and I will see you next time.